Question number 1.
I dash him since childhood. A. Know B. Have known C. Knew.
Question number 2.
Which sentence is correct? A. He do his homework. B. He does his homework. C. He doing his homework.
Question number 3.
She dashed to the market yesterday. A. Went. B. Goes. C. Gone.
Question number 4.
I am interested learning Spanish. A. In. B. For. C. At.
Question number 5.
Neither of the answers correct. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 6.
If I were you, I'd apologize. A. Would. B. Will. C. Can.
Question number 7.
I saw a bird on the window. A. Sits. B. Sitting. C. Sat.
Question number 8.
This is the man saved my life. A. Which. B. Whom. C. Who.
Question number 9.
The synonym of beautiful is A. Ugly. B. Pretty. C. Dirty.
Question number 10.
The meeting will start 3 p.m. A. At. B. On. C. In.
Question number 11.
She is afraid spiders. A. Of. B. From. C. At.
Question number 12.
They were late traffic. A. Because. B. Because of. C. Do.
Question number 13.
What is the plural of analysis? A. Analysis is. B. Analyze. C. Analyzes.
Question number 14.
The film was barring that I left. A. So. B. To. C. Very.
Question number 15.
The milk has gone A. Bad. B. Badly. C. Worse.
Question number 16.
The correct spelling is A. Separate. B. Separate. C. Separate.
Question number 17.
The room must cleaned. A. B. B. Been. C. Being.
Question number 18.
She apologized being late. A. For B. About C. 2.
Question number 19.
The dog was hiding the sofa. A. Under B. On C. In.
Question number 20.
You not park here. A. Can. B. Must. C. Mustn't.
Question number 21.
What part of speech is quickly? A. Adjective. B. Adverb. C. Noun.
Question number 22.
The sentence is in, she had eaten before I arrived. A. Past perfect. B. Present perfect. C. Past continuous.
Question number 23.
Let's wait here. She comes. A. Till. B. During. C. While.
Question number 24.
She didn't come. She. A. Does. B. Didn't. C. Did.
Question number 25.
Bite the bullet means A. Speak honestly. B. Endure pain bravely. C. Argue harshly.
Question number 26.
Which is a modal verb? A. Did. B. Can. C. Had.
Question number 27.
The car, along with the bikes, stolen. A. Were. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 28.
We enjoyed to the museum. A. Go. B. Going. C. Gone.
Question number 29.
His performance was than last time. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best.
Question number 30.
We had the roof last year. A. Repair. B. Repaired. C. Repairing.
Question number 31.
He talks as if he everything. A. No. B. Knew. C. Known.
Question number 32.
The news very sad. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 33.
This soup tastes A. Deliciously. B. Delicious. C. Delight.
Question number 34.
I asked her where she going. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 35.
What's the antonym of agree? A. Refuse. B. Deny. C. Disagree.
Question number 36.
Which one is a conjunction? A. Until. B. Under. C. Understand.
Question number 37.
I'm tired. Working so hard. A. For. B. Of. C. At.
Question number 38.
Cut corners means A. Take a shortcut. B. Be aggressive. C. Avoid problems.
Question number 39.
He's better writing than speaking. A. In. B. At. C. With.
Question number 40.
The books placed on the table. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 41.
We stayed a hotel by the lake. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 42.
She told me she be late. A. Will be, would see, shall.
Question number 43.
Which word is a proper noun? A. City. B. School. C. London.
Question number 44.
I like to meet the manager. A. Could be, would see, shall.
Question number 45.
His voice is louder than A. Me. B. Mine. C. My.
Question number 46.
There is sugar in the jar. A. Many. B. Much. C. Few.
Question number 47.
On cloud 9 means A. Very happy. B. Confused. C. Angry.
Question number 48.
I heard them in the hallway. A. Arguing. B. Argue. C. Argued.
Question number 49.
The cake was made chocolate. A. With. B. Of. C. From.
Question number 50.
It's time we home. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.